With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi students, here the question is, which is not correct about enzyme activity? The first one, an obligatory formation of ES complex. Second one, a new structure of the substrate called transition state structures is formed if product is at high energy level than substrate. The reaction is exothermic. Enzymes bring down activation energy, make the transition of S to P, that means substrate to product, more easy. So here, first we will see that what is the ES complex and how it will be work. So that ES complex, the full form of this is enzyme substrate complex. This terms known as a enzyme substrate complex. So this is a temporary molecule. So when the enzyme come into the perfect contact with the substrate, they will bind with it and they will form this complex, and this is known as a enzyme substrate complex or ES complex. Transition state structure of the substrate form during the enzymatic reaction. So when the substrate bind to the enzyme at its active site, it will forming an enzyme substrate complex, and after that the transition process will be start. And after this transition state structure is formed, then the enzyme start to do the reaction. Now the third one, if product is at a high energy level than substrate, the reaction is exothermic. So in the reaction, first of all, reactant is taking participate. So when the reactants are at a high energy level, then the product means after the reaction, what will be produced? So if the reactants are at higher energy level than the product, so that the reaction is known as a exothermic. But here it is written product, not the product. So here, if the reactants are at a high energy level than the product, then only it is a exothermic reaction. So here the third statement is the incorrect for the enzyme activity. That means here, if the product is at a high energy level than substrate, the reaction is exothermic. So this is the incorrect statement for this enzyme activity, because here the reactant, if the reactant is at a high energy level, then the product, that the reaction is known as a exothermic. The last one, enzyme brings down activation energy, make the transition of S to P more easy. That is also correct for the enzyme activity. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.